update you on one of our latest purchases, cryptocurrency purchases. Now, in fact, before I get into this video and explain why, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, guys, click the notification bell so you're updated on all our latest posts. I'm ready to crush this new week. I hope you all are as well. And as always, guys, not financial advice. Please always make sure to do your own research. So as always, you would have seen that our Cardano predictions have been pretty accurate so far. So we smashed, as you see, target 1, target 2, and now we're looking to smash our third target. But again, this is a compound. This is a project that we actually believe in. So if you've been on this journey so far, you'll understand that we don't like to buy junk. We don't like junk in our portfolio because we actually like our sleep at night, right? If you're buying junk, there's no way you're going to sleep, feeling good. And you'll get kind of worked up by all these pullbacks. So let's just start off with this pullback, because I just did a video on this. Make sure you watch that after this one. So as you can see, 18%, that's it, 26% pullback on Cardano this morning. Sorry, early hours of the morning, so around, let's say 3 a.m. 2 to 3 a.m. GMT time. But this was actually exciting, right? Because I did want to add positions on Cardano, and I did want to increase my holdings, but I was not happy at buying at $1, $90 or anything like that. I wanted price to be around the 70 to 80 cent area to purchase more. And that opportunity was actually presented to us. So in this video, I'm actually going to explain how I've actually done a re-entry, what I'm looking for, and what I'm expecting mid-term. Now, again, if you haven't seen our purchases from this area, make sure you watch this afterwards, because it's going to make a lot more sense. So let's just get into our daily time frame, just so we can have a closer look at what's going on. Okay, so firstly, we can see that we had a sharp move to the upside, which I did anticipate. I did anticipate a strong move to the upside because I'm expecting a lot more people to pour money into this project as time does go on. It's kind of like confirmation bias, right? The more people that buy is the more people that buy, is the more people that buy, is the more people that buy. It's weird, right? So our goal is to get in early, right? We don't want to be those people that jump on the bandwagon, once this is already at $5 or so. We want to get in while price is still relatively cheap, and we know that all-time high is already at $1.39. So therefore, we can consider anything below 80 cents is still pretty decent. I mean, you could even say 90 cents is still decent. But of course, it depends on how long you're planning to hold, and only you will have the answer to that question. So what did we see in the early hours? We saw price pull back to this now support level. So remember, once we break through, firstly was a resistance. Once we break through and pull back, it now becomes a support area. So I'm just going to circle this so you can see it in more detail. So we have a support area here, right? And as you can see, that's a sharp pin bar to the downside, but we can see that price has actually rejected quite well, which, as always I say, just shows how well technical analysis works on the cryptocurrency market. And for those of you that don't know, all technical analysis is looking at previous price data to predict where price will go next, right? So as you can see, price has pulled back, but more interestingly, if we see from the 10th, we could almost predict that price was kind of going to pull back anyway, because we almost saw price pretty much range, and then obviously break to the downside, but we're starting to see that momentum to the upside, which is why I say below 80, even 85 cents is a great buying area, because at least you're not buying at the top of the range, you're buying at the bottom of the range. So even if price was to retest, you know that this will be a strong support area to keep buying off. So price is rejected. We saw this opportunity. We actually alerted our VLC network members, hey, we're about to buy Polkadot, Chainlink, we're about to get in and stock up whilst everything is down. And as you can see, that's over 60% today return, and this rejection, as you can see, is now 28%. So it's quite a decent pullback so far. So this is what we're expecting now. We're expecting This is a mini channel on the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, if we draw out a trend line, we can see that prices, we form like a mini flag pattern here, bullish flag pattern. And as you can see, it's just going in line with the trend is your friend until it ends, as we would say. So we've got impulse move, range, upwards trend, impulse move, range, upwards trend. And then now we're seeing a major pullback. This was the largest pullback of this bull trend since the start of the month. So what can we expect? Pullback. And then let me just draw this out. The similar buy formation. So I'm just going to draw that in for you guys now so you can see. So we're now seeing the pullback. We're now expecting price to launch around the $1 area. Are we going to hit all-time highs this month? I don't know, but it does look like that could potentially happen. But our next target will be, midterm target anyway, will be around the $1 area. But of course, we're looking to hold this cryptocurrency. We will not be selling at all. So again, just a great restock level. So let me just highlight that for you guys. This is a great restock level. So this, all this is a there you go. So this is simply a restock level. Where we bought again is a restock level, because obviously we want to increase our holdings over time. And again, even if this does reject this channel and start to trend back down to the downside, I'm not going to buy again at 75 cents or anything like that. I'll look for maybe a low around, again, $60 area, 50 cent area. But I don't think we'll go any lower than 60 cents this month anyway. But yeah, so I'll be happy to buy around the 60 cents area again if prices reject this this channel. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. It looks like we're going to see a break. So yeah, let me just drawing next midterm target. I think we could close maybe around $1.15 before the end of the month. And I'm not sure we're going to hit all-time highs before the end of the month, but I definitely see $1.15. 15 cents. We drew that just a tiny bit. Yeah, so $1.50 is our next target area on Cardano. And as you can see, price is actually moving to the upside as we speak. So yeah, depending on how soon or late you see this video, looks like a good entry. Again, that is not, that's just purely our own opinion and what we're doing. You always have to, trade to your own comfortabilities and your own rules and obviously your own research. But with that being said, guys, I hope you all have an incredible week. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're going to upload a new video straight after this one. So make sure you watch out for that. And as always, guys, seize the day.